Iroquois junior-senior high school students are here at McInnes Rolled Rings, where we're learning how to make rolled rings to prove how cool manufacturing really is.
So it first comes to the saws, it'll come out onto the press, it'll get upset and blanked to whatever the size we need for the piece. So we'll roll that piece out, it'll go over to heat treat, and then it goes to inspection. So
my name is Craig Gindelsberger, operations. My day is a little bit unique. I fill in where I'm needed. If someone is off, I fill in and help out in almost every department. Every day is a new day. I'm doing something different almost every day, and get to help out every department as much as I can. It's rewarding. I mean, you get to see a finished product, and you get to make stuff. Something's always going to need to be made. It's interesting. It's exciting to see the stuff being made and how it's made, and it's not just plastic. It's steel. It's cool. I like it.
My name is Bill Zins. I actually am a 160 team member, and I do all the jobs that you see back here, like the driving of the truck or the spraying down there or the running of the press. We keep changing out every day. Well, I work in the 160 ring mill, and we take steel bars and we make rings out of them. You saw the process with what we call blanking. That's when we put it on the press and make the hole in the center. And then it goes back into our furnace, and then they roll it on the mill as you saw before. It's very rewarding to make something. There's, I think, a lot of jobs out there where you don't get to actually produce a product, and a product that is being used everywhere around the world. As long as you're ready to work hard, there's lots of jobs out there for you.
My name is Steve White, W-H-I-T-E, 160 system team leader. Every job on the floor here I can do. Usually we rotate, so you could be running the press the one day. I'm trained on the mill, so I could run the mill one day, drive, or spray. And like we said, we rotate, so you're not doing the same thing day in and day out. So it cuts up the monotony. So.
We would like to thank McInnes Rolled Rings for letting us come into their workplace to explore the creation of rolled rings.